Well, we're back at it again. We're hauling some firewood that we cut earlier this summer, and we store it down here below the barn so it keeps nice and dry. I got Wyatt up here to help me. And we generally move about a half a cord at a time into our house. And we burn through about, I don't know, half a cord every 2 weeks. So a cord a year. Ready, Wyatt? Do you like the tractor?
No.
You don't like the tractor?
No.
Get him safe on my lap.
What are you doing with that?
Oh, we're shooting a video. Here we go. We also store firewood at the house too, but when it's nice and dry, we'll run behind the barn and we'll grab it. That way the field's not too wet. If it's really snowy up here or it's been raining for a week, we'll just grab it from underneath our deck. Max goes everywhere I go. He's the funniest dog I've ever seen. We finally got Starlink. That's our TV antenna up there. That's our cell phone booster. If you didn't have a cell phone booster, you would get zero signal up here. You want to drive, Wyatt?
No.
All right, take us to the house. Nice and easy on the turn. Okay, go ahead and turn it. Wyatt's 3 years old. He'll be 3 this December, at the end of the month. And he's learning quite well on the tractor. Easy, bud, easy. And stop. And now we'll just go ahead and grab it with the wheelbarrow and haul it into our house. You can't get it, it's too heavy?
Yeah.
All right, we got the wood to the house. All right, Michael, you want to help Wyatt? Generally, I can pack about 1/4 of a cord on one scoop on the tractor. And then, come on, Wyatt. Here, bud. Throw that in the wheelbarrow for me.
Heavy.
You got it. This will make you strong. Good job. So we generally put that all in there, and then you wheel it into the house. And this box here generally holds a half a cord. We'll stack that all the way to the ceiling. And that's a Blaze King. It'll heat the entire house. The entire basement will be about 80 degrees, and upstairs will be in about 70s. It's a great way to heat your house. Here's walnuts off our tree. We're gonna crack those up. What do you think?
Here's how we can have the boys feed the chickens without getting attacked by the rooster. And mainly, it's just a lot of fun for boys.
That rooster attacks the kids every time we let them feed the chickens. So we finally were like, let's just put them up in the front end loader. And now the rooster doesn't even care. I don't know, kind of a funny way of doing it. Plus the kids like doing that. Oh, he's talking to you guys. Hear him?
Hey, you're walking. I know my kid more walking sound. Yeah, walking.
Come on, Max. Come on.
Yeah,
You gonna get up here?
walking, doo-doo. Walking,
Come on. Up here. Come on.
Ah, wait, meow, meow. Woo!
We have some Plymouth barred rock because they're so beautiful. And some Easter eggers for their funny green eggs. The chickens are lots of fun. It's fun to have fresh eggs every day.
Okay.
The kids like to pick up the eggs too.
you finna talk about.
Gather the chicken eggs. Come on.
All right, how many we got? There's one. Oh, I'll hold that open.
Got two.
Oh, look at all those.
Here you go, bud.
Oh, here comes, uh-oh. Casualty.
Casualty.
Oops. Okay.
Okay, grab some eggs, Wyatt.
Here, Dad's got the thing.
How did
Oh, he accidentally broke an egg on his arm. Yeah.
See, it's not all fun and glory about being a farmer. Things happen.
I've put eggs in my coat pocket before and broke them inside my coat pocket.
Like all of them.
Yeah, that's not very fun.
And I've had the
I have
dog
to-
come over here and whack the dozen, and they're just like blah, 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 all over the ground. You're just like, all right, any more in there? You get it? You got it? All right, put that right in there.
Looks like we need another case there.
Okay, grab that one, bud. You get that? Come on. Here, I'll lift you up. Ready? All right, grab it. Got it. All right, throw that in there. All right, almost 2 dozen.
All right.
Daddy won't play
Need another.
Mario.
You see the eggs?
Daddy.
These big ones most of them are Rhode Islands. And the Americanas lay these pretty little green ones. It's kind of fun to have a variety of them.
Yeah, we like the different colors. That's
Yeah.
fine.
All right, we finally had some good weather where it hasn't rained for like less than 24 hours. We're out in our hay field right now. We do about 50 acres of hay. We do a lot of mole and gopher control. It's super important to keep that dirt out of the hay for the hay customers. The horses don't like it. They end up coughing. And it's an everyday battle to try to get rid of those gophers and moles. So we got Wyatt with us right now on the tractor, all 3 of us. And we're basically just driving out and around looking to find where they're at. We can either set traps or we can burn the sulfur. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys how we set a mole trap. So that's a fresh one. And you're probably wondering like, what's with the tractor? Is that kind of like overkill? It's just easy to pack all your supplies in there. So you got your burning tank, your sulfur, your traps, your shovel, and kind of get a bird's eye view of how big the field is. It goes all the way back behind the house. You can barely see the house back there.
Daddy, poop.
Oh, what kind of poop is that?
Coyote.
Is that coyote or deer?
Deer.
Deer poop?
Mama,
Oh,
look.
right. You found there's been deer out here.
Max is pretty much a lover of everything out here. All right, we have located our mole. This is a fresh push-up. That's a fresh one. Generally, if you have a long piece of metal or a screwdriver, so you can feel how easy that goes right in the ground. Nothing, easy, easy. See how hard that is? So you know the runway is right through there.
Daddy, what's this?
That helps open up the trap. Make yourself a nice, even, square cut. Because you're going to use that material later.
I see one.
See it?
Yeah. Yeah. Mama, it's yellow.
All right.
And those moles, man, they're crafty. So it looks like this mole just came in and just went all the way around. And like this one is not a good set. And so you know what you do to a bad set? You cover it up and don't waste your time. You go find a better hole. You really want two runways on both sides. So when that trap is open, that mole goes in there or there and you get it. Moles are super smart. If you miss a mole, you'll never catch another one in a trap. You'll have to wait out here with a shotgun to get it. So don't waste your time with a bad set. Wait till you have a good set, then set your trap.
Daddy, what are you doing?
We're gonna move.
Mama, no go.
So let's
I'm
go.
gonna try a different hole.
Let's find a good set. Okay. So right there is his runway. Well, we'll try this.
Try this.
All right, Wyatt. What do you see, bud?
I saw a bug.
See a bug?
See one. The hole.
Same thing. Bad set.
I see one.
Cover that back up.
What are you doing?
Let's find another one.
Mama, why you not said it?
We gotta find a better hole.
Well, we know that mole's there. You can see Max, he's hot on one right now.
Daddy! You find one.
Come on, Max. Sometimes he makes too big of a hole.
This is good.
Okay, let's try this.
Comes Michael.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's cut this.
That's perfect. I see the hole.
See the hole?
That's
Okay, watch out, Wyatt. Yeah, there's a good hole. So come on over here and zoom in on this. So we finally found it. So you see, nice hole there, hole there. Kind of judge your trap. See how your trap's gonna go in there perfectly? Perfectly. You're basically gonna come in here with a shovel, square that up, and you're gonna make like a little dike. So when that mole comes, he's gonna come on either direction and he's gonna hit that. And he's gonna be like, what's up with that? And he's gonna push up. And when he does that, he hits the trap.
And we hear gun.
Did you hear a gunshot?
Yeah. We hear gun.
Oh yeah, somebody's shooting.
What
What happened?
Well, I got my hands so dirty.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think we have a washer.
What's that one?
So, there you go. Now, each mole trap has a safety on it. Throw the safety on there. You can see it. Take these gloves off. The safety's nice. Put it on, that way it never springs and gets your fingers. But a lot of the times we'll forget about the safety. You come out here and the trap is half sprung and the safety's caught it and you miss your mole. So whenever you set that safety, make sure you take it off. So, Got a little bit too deep there. Add a little bit of dirt. You kind of stick the trap in there, not too hard. See how the little dike right there is just barely up. So we need to make that go up a little bit higher. Get my gloves back on.
Daddy, how we get it?
All right. So we're gonna add a little bit more material on that. Bring that up. Put a little bit of dirt inside that guy's hole. I'm gonna show you guys there. See how close that is to our trigger? Pretty close. Take the safety off. So, this is the secret that will save you guys lots of time. See how we're gonna use basically all the dirt here. You wanna seal it back up so that way the mole thinks, oh, it's a regular dirt tunnel. It doesn't see a lot of the light.
Daddy, how we get that?
See that arm? That arm is your trigger kick out. Boink. You wanna make sure you do not cover that up.
Yeah, we say,
Yeah.
we got golfer.
So see how that trigger right there, the mechanism's right there in the open. It has a clear
we
path
got
to kick out.
golfer.
Yep. And that one is set.
All right.
We'll mark it, keep on going. So that's how you do a mole trap. And hopefully here in 12 to 24 hours, we'll have a dead mole.
What are you doing? Hi.
Hey.
Night night.
Hey.
Are you getting sleepy? Ride's over. Ride's over. Ride's over.
I've been setting all kinds of mole traps lately and come out here and Wyatt's like, I'm gonna learn. Here, set that mole trap, bud. Find the hole. Yeah. We gotta get those naughty moles. There you go. Make a good set.